We collect river water from around the world. We also blog about rivers and related topics. For this post, you will learn about John Wesley Powell. 5 key points. Number 1, John Wesley Powell is considered the father of modern whitewater rafting. Number 2, his expeditions down the Green and Colorado rivers in the 1870s significantly contributed to the sport's popularity. Number 3, Powell's vivid descriptions of his journeys captured the public's imagination. Number 4, technological advancements, the growth of adventure tourism, and environmental awareness have further fueled the popularity of whitewater rafting. Number 5, popular whitewater rafting destinations worldwide include the Colorado River, Zambezi River, and Futaleufú River.